Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're facing a situation where your Dyson HD01 cable is damaged, you're not alone. This issue often arises from wear and tear or accidental snags. If left unresolved, it can lead to further electrical problems or even a complete malfunction of your device. So, it's crucial to address it as soon as possible. For this repair, you will need a replacement cable, a screwdriver set, and some electrical tape. Make sure you have a clear workspace and all your tools ready before starting. To begin, ensure your Dyson HD01 is unplugged and laid on a flat surface. Carefully remove the screws located on the main casing using the appropriate screwdriver. Be gentle to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently prise apart the casing, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, you'll find the damaged cable connected to the power supply. Locate the connection points, which are usually secured with additional screws or clips. Once you've identified the faulty cable, carefully disconnect it from the terminals. Remember to note how it's connected, as this will help during reassembly. Now, take your replacement cable and connect it to the appropriate terminals, ensuring a secure fit. If you feel any resistance, double-check the orientation and connection points. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new cable is in place, carefully reassemble the casing, ensuring all clips and screws are properly fitted. Tighten the screws firmly, but avoid over-tightening as this could crack the casing. Finally, plug your Dyson HD01 back in and test it to ensure the new cable is functioning correctly. You should see immediate improvement. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider being mindful of how you store your Dyson. Avoid wrapping the cable too tightly and keep it away from sharp edges to reduce wear. Regularly checking for any signs of damage can also help you catch issues early before they become significant problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.